In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can activate international shipping in Shopify or on Shopify. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's the first step. And then you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Okay, next thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on markets. Now, what you guys need to do now is you want to click on add market here. As you can see, you want to click on add market. Okay, and you want to name this market, for example, international, or you can name it something else if you want. I'm going to name it international number 2. Okay. Okay, so after you name the market, don't worry, customers will not be able to see this. You want to then select the countries you want to include in this market. So I would like to include all countries in for example, all countries in Europe. Okay, I'm going to select here Europe, and I'm going to select, for example, North America. Okay, I'm going to select these two countries, and these, as you can see, all these countries will be selected after you select here. For example, North America, it will select all countries in North America. If you select, for example, Europe, it will select all countries in Europe, which is like 52 countries, as you can see. You can also disclose, like if you want, you can unselect any country you don't like to ship to. But for this, I'm going to ship to Europe and North America. And after that, you want to click on add market. Okay. So to activate this market, you will need to click on. To activate this market, guys, you will need to you want to click on, like here, shipping and delivery. Okay, you want to click on shipping and delivery, and what you guys need to do next, you want to click here, it says custom shipping rates. You want to click on create a new profile and just name this whatever, new profile, for example, and you want to add the products here. I'm going to select all products, then I'm going to click on done and scroll down, and what you guys need to, you want to click on add shipping zone. And when you click on add shipping zone, you want to then select again the countries you selected in the market. We selected Europe and we selected North America. I'm going to search again for North America. This is it. You want to name this zone new zone, for example. Click on done, and you want to click on add rate. After you click on add rate, you want a custom rate name, you want to set it to standard. And the price of the shipping, it's up to you guys. I always go with free shipping, 0.00. Click on done and make sure you click on save in the top right. Now, next thing, to activate this market, you want to go again to markets, and you want to click on that market which says I named this international number 2. Click on here, it says inactive in the top right, and then select active. So after that, make sure you save your changes, guys. Okay, as you can see, change it to active and make sure you click on save changes. Now the international market has been enabled on your Shopify. I'm going to try it right now. So for example, I'm going to check one of these products, and as you can see now, I can ship to a lot of countries, to all countries in Europe and all countries in North America. As you can see, here you can search for any country here, for example, France. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Ask me in the comments any question, I reply to everyone. And yeah, see you guys in the next video, and drop a like. Make sure to drop a like, hit the like button, and see you guys next one.